They are chilling in a hammock on the Bout. Chilling in a hammock on the Bout.
Listen to music and reading our books. What a Saturday.
Listening to music, reading nerd books. Two nerds in a hammock reading books. Mother nerd, daughter nerd. So while we're out here, or we're outside, let's take a look at the garden, see what's happening. Sweet potato slips are getting long. Still haven't transferred them yet because it rained again yesterday. Okay. Potato vines are getting nice and tall. Actually starting to spread out because they're getting so tall. Take a quick look at these beans. It's time to pick these beans. I think I did a video about 2 or 3 days ago. I look how long these things are. So as they get about that size, anywhere from about 5 inches or so, it's time to start picking them. Unless you like yours be a lot tougher. If you like them to be tender, the smaller they are, the more tender they are. Look at all those beans on that one little plant. Got another couple of big ones right here. Look at that. Okay. So I will get out here and plant some more beans and more chard and transplant my sweet potato slips. Look at these guys looking beautiful. Looking very beautiful, right? It's a pretty big one right there. About a little bit smaller than my hand is. This is the kale. Kale is getting pretty big. Big about a day. It don't play. A lot of nutrients in there. Again, an empty spot. Just waiting for my sweet potato slips. Take a look from this side of the garden. Okay. All the water has went away, but we have mud left. So, all right, let's take a look at these. This spaghetti squash. These are getting very big, starting to really grow out. In a few days, it'll be on the fence. A spaghetti squash. This is the regular yellow squash. That's about how big it is. Maybe a little bit shorter than my pinky is. That's the largest one out of all the squash that has grown already. They're in the baby stage right now. And it's getting hotter outside. It's getting more sun outside. Sunnier outside. So, with that being said, the growth will be a lot faster. Empty spot. Waiting for me to not transplant sweet potato plants. I mean sweet potato slips, but put tomato seeds in the ground. See if I can find y'all a couple of little baby cucumbers. Down there somewhere. Seen about 1 or 2 the other day. Alright, those cucumbers. This here, again, is a cantaloupe. Starting to flower. And this is a watermelon. Starting to come along nice. Especially since it's hot outside. Let's take a look from this angle. Again, that's watermelon, cantaloupe, cucumbers, empty spot, summer squash or winter squash, one of the two. The spaghetti squash in the back, sweet potato slips, white potatoes, and right next to it, you can't hardly see it from this angle, but green beans, chard, kale, empty spot. And we have two pretty young ladies over there, Madam Yellowness, the wife, and the 13-year-old, Kalia, our daughter, chilling in the hammock on the Sabbat. Anyway, let's turn around and get another look at the garden. All right. Take another look at the beautiful ladies. All right. And we'll close it out just like this here. The ladies are prettier than the garden is. So we go out like this here. Thank y'all for joining us. And we'll catch you guys on the next episode. Y'all stay safe. All right.